Okay, hi YouTube. This is my first video, but I felt I had to make it because of recent tragic events. Michael Jackson just died yesterday, and obviously all of you probably already know that, but I just felt that I wanted everybody to know how much of a big deal this is to everyone. Like, Michael Jackson, even during the time he was on trial and for supposedly molesting that boy and all that, he's still an amazing entertainer. Like, most of our generation has grown up to him. He's the same age as my father. My parents grew up to him. My mom came home crying in tears, like sobbing because of this. I was walking home from the park with my friends, and every car was just blasting him. And I found out about it before it was even on the news. And at first I didn't believe it because my friend got a call. He's like, "Yo, you guys, Michael Jackson died." And I'm like, "What are you talking about?" No, he didn't. And so we looked it up on the internet, and no news had gotten it yet. So it said he was still alive. So we're like, "Oh yeah, he's not dead." And I called my dad and I was like, "Hey Dad, since I'm at the park, I'm at my computer and you're at work, can you look for me?" And he's like, "No, it just says he's in the hospital, he's fine." I was like, "Okay, that's good." And then an hour later, my dad calls me back and he's like, "Michael Jackson's dead." And I'm like, wow. Like, I couldn't believe it. And at first that was just one of those stupid rumors. And then some people were like, "Oh, well, maybe it'll be like Tupac and just fake his own death so he can have an amazing comeback." And I'm like, wow. Like, I'm so in shock. Like, I don't know what to do. It's still actually really hard to believe, because he just, like, last year or the year before, he just had his 25th Thriller anniversary. Not today. He's about to start his London tour. I just can't. I can't believe it. It's ridiculous, and it sucks a lot because he was a lot of people's idol, and he was just amazing. RIP MJ.